Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenaga Kekuat Kakya ke Sorkar Jylla ubah Wailad Miki Jylla. Lihat hu bagi don kendai tadi ki sub center ke Jylla ki bela Kyntiew syaka PHC. Bariat hu ru bagi jing Kyntiew ya ke Maurong sub center syaka PHC kedang ya syakmat. Ya kan ni ula jubab halor ke jingkeli bela bu de MLA ke mau hati ubah Charles Marngar. Haka kenta keli jingkeli hapo yang darbar thawan ke Jylla. Uba Charles ula bu jingkeli benrap belano anak ban pleno yaka. Uba Wailad ula jubab bahab ban pet banyak ru kat kum ki kendan ke IPHS. Bala dabaro ki biang dut kumta kinyale ban pinstat kat bala.
Honorable Chairman, sir, reply to question number 112. A, sir. Sir, there are 9 sub-center being upgraded to PHC. B, sir, the process for upgradation of Maurong sub-center is underway.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir. I'm very happy to know that the process for upgradation of Maurong sub-center to PHC is underway. May I know from the Honorable Minister how long it will take for the inauguration and what is the timeline, Mr. Chairman, sir?
Honorable Chairman, sir. So, as I have replied in B, the process for upgradation is underway. So, for the time being, sir, we have to examine according to the guideline, according to IPHS norms. So, definitely, sir, we'll check, and if everything is okay, then we'll try to speed up the matter as soon as possible.